Okay, guys, what we have here today to check out is a 1959-1960 windshield wiper switch. These units have the three connections that go to the wiper motor, and the case, this metal part of the case, is your third connection for the ground. These switches switch ground. So the first thing we will look at here is the connections. We have, I'm looking down here at my notes so I get this right. This connection is for the on position. This is for the wash, and this is the speed. So what we'll do is we will first of all check the wash position, which kicks the switch into the run. This controls the wiper motor, and this controls the pump for the windshield washer. We'll connect one end of our circuit to the case. As you can see, we have current flow, 1.2 amps, our test light indicates. And so we have our table here that I worked up that shows us what is connected when the switch is in what position. So in off, there should be no connection on wash. There should be a connection to the speed line and no connection to the run line. So we see here that we have a connection at the speed. We have nothing on wash and nothing on run. So we'll go back to wash, and I'll push the button. As you can see, when I push the button in, our light comes on, our meter reads current, and our switch has been pushed over to the low position, which shows that we should have continuity on the speed and on the on position. Next we go to is the medium speed here. In the on position, we have our current flow. And what we're paying attention to is that we have current flow that is almost the same as when we short our test leads together. If it's not, then that means the switch has resistance in it. The contacts are dirty and they need to be cleaned, or the switch is just completely bad and the contacts may be burned beyond repair. So that's why we always do these tests passing current instead of just using our ohm meter. A switch can indicate good using the ohm meter, but when you actually try to get current through it, it has such a small contact area touching that'll instantly burn when we try to run any amount of current. Then in this position, we're still in the medium. We have our continuity through our run position, and here we should see, I didn't have it quite in the right position. It wasn't in the detent. So there we go. That's medium. And now we have lower current because it's going through this resistor for the speed control. And then when we go all the way over to high and knock our test lead off, we'll reposition it down on this end. We should have power to the run position and nothing on the speed position. So that is the way we can test these switches rather easily. I do have to, it is best to remove it from the car to be able to do it on the bench. And we've used our power supply and our load resistor. You can use a car battery, and a headlight. A headlight bulb is excellent for this, to run the same sort of tests. So there you go. So if this seems to be your problem, but you can replace the switch. You can also try to use contact cleaner and to get it working. And while you've got this apart, you can check the wiring between the switch and the motor, or if your switch does test bad, you can jump these various leads and verify that your motor is working properly. So if this switch looks like it's going to be what will help you get your wipers running properly, go ahead and click on the link in the description below and order one up.
Caddy Daddy presents It's All About Giving Back. Please enjoy the video of the Boys and Girls Clubs of St. Helena and Calistoga. You can donate by clicking the link in the video description.